Welcome to my YouTube and Facebook channel. In this video, we will discuss about NASA's Voyager. 2 spacecraft loses communication. Recovery expected soon. In a recent development, NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft has encountered a communication glitch with Earth due to an unexpected shift in its antenna direction. The incident occurred after a series of scheduled commands on July 21 caused the antenna to veer off course by 2 degrees, rendering it incapable of transmitting data or receiving commands from ground controllers. Currently positioned over an astonishing distance of 12.3 billion miles, 19.9 billion kilometers, away from Earth, Voyager 2 experienced a disruption in its communication with the Deep Space Network. These and ground antennas as a result of this misalignment. Nevertheless, there is a plan in place to restore communication. Voyager 2 is programmed to undergo multiple orientation adjustments throughout the year to keep its antenna accurately aligned with Earth. The next scheduled adjustment is slated for October 15, and it is expected to re-establish communication with the spacecraft. Despite this temporary interruption, the Voyager 2 mission team remains optimistic that the spacecraft will maintain its intended trajectory during this period of quiet communication. Fortunately, its twin counterpart, Voyager 1, is not facing any issues and is continuing its operations smoothly. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched by NASA in 1977, and they were designed to explore the outer solar system. Remarkably, these twin spacecraft have managed to stay operational for over 4 decades, providing valuable scientific data about the cosmos. Voyager 1's mission included flybys of Jupiter and Saturn, during which it captured detailed images and data of these gas giants and their moons. Notably, it made history in 2012, when it became the first human-made spacecraft to venture into interstellar space, surpassing the boundaries of our solar system. On the other hand, Voyager 2 had an even more impressive journey as the only spacecraft to have flown by all 4 outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. During these flybys, Voyager 2 gathered essential information about the planets and their moons, uncovering significant discoveries like Neptune's great dark spot and Uranus's off-center magnetic field. Both Voyager spacecraft carry a golden record, which is a phonograph record intended to represent the diverse life and culture on Earth. The golden record serves as a message to any potential extraterrestrial intelligence that may encounter the spacecraft. The Voyager missions are an enduring testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. Operated by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, a division of Caltech, the Voyager spacecraft are part of the NASA Heliophysics System Observatory, supported by the Heliophysics Division of the Science Mission Directorate in Washington. Thanks for watching. If you like video, please subscribe, give feedback and comments, and share with others. Keep watching my videos.